Good morning, K2 friends. Are you ready to read our morning message? Hi, friends. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. It is a cloudy day and it may rain this afternoon. But April showers bring May flowers. Okay, I'm going to underline a sight word. Can you read this sight word? Can you read this sight word? It's the same. Can you read this sight word? Can you read this sight word? And read this sight word again? And read this sight word? And read this sight word? And can you tell me the two words in the message that rhyme? And if you said showers rhyme with flowers, then you are correct. All right, so go get your notebook and something to write with. I'm going to erase the board. And we will start our Fundations lesson of the day. Let me bring my board up a little bit. Oops. Okay, oop, that's a little messy. All right, let's start with some CVC words. Let's tap it out. R-A-G, rag. You tap and I point. R-A-G, rag. A rag. It's like a small piece of cloth that you might use to clean. Here's our next CVC word. Let's tap it out. S-at, set. S-at, set. Set means to put something down in a certain place, like you may set the table. You put the plates down on the table. Next one. I'm going to give you some time to tap it out. Forgot to dot my I. Now let's tap it out together. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Did you know that said kid? I bet you did. A kid could be like another name for a child, or like a baby goat is called a kid. All right, our next one. Go ahead and tap it out. Now let's tap it out together. Let's see if you tapped it out correctly. R-ot, rot. R-ot, rot. So if you have food and it rots, that means it goes bad. It spoils. You don't want to eat an apple if it rots, right? And here is our last CVC word. Let's tap it out. L-U-G, lug. L-U-G, lug. Lug, it means to carry something usually heavy. All right, now we're going to do an activity called a word ladder. Let's see if I can do this. A word ladder. Now, a word ladder is a fun way to explore CVC words. And when you do a word ladder, all the words on your ladder they're like connected, and all you have to do is just change one letter. Okay, so it's just a way of connecting words. So let me show you a ladder. It's easy enough to make, right? It's like a big, tall number 11. And then we have this part of the ladder, right? We step on these and we climb up a ladder. All right, so there's my ladder. Now, when you climb a ladder, you start from the bottom and you go up. Okay, so what you do when you do a word ladder is you write a word down here on the bottom, a CVC word. All right, that's an easy CVC word, right? What is that word? Dog. Good. So now what you do is you change a letter in dog to make a new word. So if I wanted to make dog into the word log, what would I have to do? Dog and log, they rhyme, right? So the ending will stay the same, OG, but log begins with a different sound, L, and that letter is L. So do you see the only thing you changed from dog to log was the beginning sound? All right, so we started with dog, now we have log. Now let's change a letter in log. Let's change the last letter in log. I changed the G to the T. So do you know what that word would be? It starts like log, but it has a different ending sound. Lot. Like a parking lot. All right, so we started with dog, then we changed it to log, then we changed it to lot. Now let's get tricky. Let's change lot to let. Everybody say let. Tell me the sound you hear. L, et. So, which letter are we going to change if we're going to change the word lot to let? L, et. So which letter did we change? We changed the vowel, the middle sound. All right, so look at how fun this is. You got log, that's what you start with. I'm sorry, dog, start with dog. Change it to log, change it to lot, change it to let. See how we're just changing one letter each time? Now let's change the beginning sound in let. Let's make it pet. Say pet. P-et. So we would spell it P-et. Okay? It's just the beginning sound that changes. Now let's change pet to pen. Say pen. P-e-n. Which letter do we change? We change the last letter in pet. We changed the T to N. We got pen. All right, now I'm going to change the vowel in the middle because I want the word to say pin. Pen, but we want to change it to pin. So it would be p-i-n, pin. So do you see how the beginning sounds are the same? The ending sounds are the same. It's the vowel in the middle. Okay. Now let's change pin. Let's change the beginning sound. Let's change it to tin. So pin and tin, they rhyme, right? So the endings will be the same. The only thing you'll change is the beginning sound. T, I, n, tin. Like a can is made out of tin. All right. And let's do one more. Let's change the word tin to tip. So it's going to be t, it, p. All right. So that's a word ladder, and you could probably keep going. Let me change that. Fix that P. You could maybe keep going up, 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 right? Keep changing one letter in each word to make a new word. So let's start down here on the bottom. We started with what word? Dog. Then we changed it to log, lot, let, pet, pen, pin, tin, tip. So that is a word ladder. And all of these words are connected, right? The only difference is in each new word, one letter is changed. So here is your word ladder. Here's your ladder. All right, let's see. How high can you go? And you can think of any CVC word, any word that has a consonant, vowel, consonant. All right, or I can give you one. So you can think of your own CVC word, or I'll give you one to start with. How about you start with this word? Bat. You could start with bat, or you can think of your own CVC word. And each time you go up the ladder, you change one letter in the word to make a new word. Okay? So you can do that. Take a picture of it and upload it to Dojo. If you want to do some extra work, you can choose some of your CVC words from the ladder and write them in a sentence. Okay? Have fun. I'll check back later.